Hey everyone, in this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to change your camera settings on iOS. Now, what you want to do is you want to go into settings and you want to go down to camera. Once you click on camera, you'll be given the option to change either the record video, record slow-mo, and a lot more. So if we click on record video, for example, you can see that our videos are currently recorded at 4K at 60 frames per second. And if we want to change it, we can either change it to something less or something more, such as 4K at 120 frames per second. You can also change enhanced stability, action mode lowered light, and much more. So if you want to read and turn on or enable some of the modes, simply you can do that. Now, do keep in mind that higher resolutions do require more memory. So if you don't have memory, make sure that you turn down the resolution or the frames per second. Now, you can also turn on record sound, either with spatial audio, stereo, or mono. And you can also turn on wind noise reduction. And if we keep scrolling down, there's a lot more settings to go through, and you can change it to how you want to record. And if you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.